Okay, so our story this week is Bear Snores On, and it's written by Karma Wilson. Okay, I've got my bear with me today. I've got White Bear, although in the story it's a brown bear. Now my White Bear here has eaten lots and lots of food, and White Bear is ready to hibernate. That means she's going to go to sleep for a long time, all through winter. Okay, so we say night night White Bear, time to go to sleep. Oh, she's snoring already. Can you make a snoring sound? Okay, right, he's sitting comfortably. You ready? Show me super sitting. Right, Bear snores on. In a cave, in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. Oh, lucky bear doing all that sleeping. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. He's made a fire. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. You still snoring? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in, like a rabbit, but it's a hare. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on, still snoring. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we could share." We're good at sharing in nursery, aren't we? "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cosy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on, still sleeping, even through all that noise. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Now it's really noisy. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Can you see? Can you see the shadows of all those characters now? And the bear still sleeping. Hare stokes the fire and Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck, a teeny tiny bit of pepper, makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Oh no, what's he gonna do? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. Is he a happy bear? Is he a grumpy bear? You've sneaked into my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping. I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Look, his friends have all gone to sleep, but Bear's wide awake. Okay, what I want you to do, nursery, is have a look around your house and see if you've got any teddies or characters that you can use to tell the story. I've managed to find a bear and a hare. And I'm looking, because in nursery we've got lots of toys. I've got a mole and a gopher and a bird. It's not a wren or a raven, but it's a bird. And badger. And I've got a pan that I've put some corn in. It's just paper. And I found a teapot. Okay, so I'm going to go off now and get myself nice and cosy and use all my characters to tell the story of Bear Snores On to my friends. So see if you can do that at home. See what you can find. You don't have to find the same characters that were in the story. Just use whatever you've got. You might have a Paw Patrol figure that snores on, or somebody from Fireman Sam, or anything in your house that you can use to tell a story of somebody hibernating and sleeping for a long time and others tiptoeing into their cave and having a party. And then your character wakes up and they're very grumpy. And then they might be happy at the end. So go and tell your story to your grown-ups. And also have a look at the rest of the work on Google Classroom. You might want to make a cave. See what you can make a cave out of in your house and send me a picture. Okay, well done, nursery. Take care.